Ayan po. Lapit ka ng konti, sir. Huwag kang matakot. Ayan. Meron po akong tanong. Kailangan sabay kayong sasagot. Baka magkaiba. Okay. Mayrick and Diana, as you stand here before God, family, and friends, I ask you to affirm your vows of commitment to each other. Please do answer together. Do you come here freely without reservation to give yourself to each other in marriage?
We do.
Thank you very much. Mayrick, do you take Diana to be your lawfully wedded wife? Will you love her, honor her, comfort her, and keep her in sickness and in health, for richer or for poorer, forsaking all others, as long as you shall both live?
I do.
Diana, do you take Mary to be your lawfully wedded husband? Will you love him, honor him, comfort him, and keep him in sickness and in health, for richer or for poorer, forsaking all others, as long as you shall both live?
I do.
This ring are more than just a beautiful piece of jewelry. They are circles, unbroken and eternal, a symbolizing a love without end. By exchanging this ring, Mayrick and Diana are making visible promise to honor, cherish, and protect each other and remain steadfast in their commitment. Mayrick, as you place your ring to Diana, together with your vow, we are all now witness to your promise of love to Diana. Asa po yung, yung card? Sige, sir. Ayun. Pakitulungan na po. Sige, kaya yan today. Ayan. Sige po. Okay. Harap ka sa kanya, sir. Huwag sa akin.
Ivy, mahal, Lea. Finally, ito na yung hinihintay natin. Tagal ng friend. May mga stressful na nangyari pero I think sabi ko, sobrang worth it natin. I know this is not new to us. Yung mga pag-deliver ng mga long messages every monthsaries, anniversaries, or even sa mga araw na gusto nating magsabi or to show appreciation sa bawat isa. We are always assured and comforted by the genuine love and support we show to each other. Who would have thought na darating pala tayo sa ganitong yugto ng mga buhay natin? Hindi naging madali yung paglalakbay natin. We have our ups and downs, roller coaster ride ika nga, but we never let go. Dayan, as I, as I look back, madalas kitang tanungin, pati ang sarili ko, bakit di mo ako iniiwan? Why are you choosing to stay with me? You would simply answer, kasi mahal mo ako at palagi mo akong pipiliin. I thank God for your life sa pagbibigay niya ng taong makakaunawa, tatanggap at magmamahal ng tunay sa akin. Bukas, it will be our 6th year anniversary. And I could say, and I know na yung, yung babaeng nag-yes sa akin to be my girlfriend will be the same woman who will be my wife today. Today, I vow to make you happy. From from now on, kung ano yung makakapagpasaya sa'yo, ay siya na rin makakapagpasaya sa akin. Whatever makes you sad will make me more sad. And what hurts you will hurt me the most. I know hindi ako naging best boyfriend sa'yo, pero from this day forward, I promise to be the best husband you will ever need. Advance happy anniversary bukas. I'm so excited to finally experience my life with you. Patatawag ko ng tahanan natin ang bawat isa. I love you, Diana Claire. Walang iwanan.
Okay naman.
Diana, as you place your ring to Mayrick together with your vow, we are all now witness to your promise of love to Mayrick.
My dearest Mary, maraming salamat sa toong pagmamahal, sa effort, lalo na sa mga sacrifices mo sa atin, sa mga panahong ginagawa mo lang isang kanto yung Marikina from Manila para mapuntahan ako. Sa pagtuloy sa pagpatuloy na pagpili sa atin sa mga panahon na di tayo nagkakaintindihan. With you, I learned that love is not about grand gestures, but about showing up and choosing us again and again. Sobrang kitang na-appreciate sa lahat ng effort mo, lalo na sa pagplano ng wedding natin, na lagi ko, na despite sa busy natin sa work, lagi ka pa rin hands-on. Kaya ngayong araw na to, I promise to choose you every day, not just on the easy days, but especially on the hard ones. Wala akong ibang gagawin kundi mas mahalin at piliin ka sa panahong may tampuhan, pagod, at hindi pagkakaunawaan, and syempre, to be strong with you when life tests us. Today, I give you my heart, my trust, and my whole life. I promise to be your partner, your best friend, and your home. Asahan mo na ikaw lang ang pipiliin at mamahalin ko sa bukas na darating. Happy anniversary. Advance.
Whenever you look at those rings, remember this moment, this sacred moment. When you pledge your heart to one another, let them serve as a quiet witness to your devotion and a testament to your partnership. Please together lang kayo. And can you hold your hands together? Dalawa po. Yeah, thank you very much. Present the unbreakable bond between a husband and wife. It also signifies blessings of God that binds them together and a sacred partnership and commitment that no one should separate. That cord signifies not just physical closeness, but spiritual and emotional oneness. From this day forward, Mayrick and Diana is bound together in purpose, in love, in God's divine plan. May that cord remind you always that you are no longer walking separately, but hand in hand, supporting, strengthening, and standing by each other in all seasons of your life. May I call on the bearer of the candle po. Candle lights hold the story of who you are, your dreams, your struggle, your victories, and the faith that you brought here. Those flames burns bright as a testimony of the love and support that you receive from your family, friends, and from God. As those two flames merge into one, they symbolize two lives becoming one. Just as those flames cannot be separated once joined, so too your lives are now intertwined, united in spirit, in purpose, and in love. Please. As a gesture of surrender and laying down your individual path, in order to walk together in love, trust, and a shared purpose. From this day on, their joy will be double, their burdens halved, and their journey forever joined. While their personal identities remain, they are now united in heart, in vision, and in covenant before God. As one light burn, may it be a lasting symbol of a love that grows brighter with each passing day. May it shine brightly as a symbol of your oneness in Christ, your shared dreams, and the promise to walk hand in hand through every season of life. Let this light remind you always that when love centered on God will never be extinguished, may it burn with warm guidance and grace in all the days of your life. Now, we will formalize this union. May I request the couple to sit down. We will formalize this union by signing of your marriage document. This symbolizes your commitment to one another and mark as a legal beginning of your life as a married couple. May I request our Ninong and Ninang to come in front po to witness. Thank you. Is now officially recognized and legal. Congratulations. Now, let us take a moment for the couple as they begin their life together. We invite everyone to join me in a moment of silence. May I request the couple to stand up po. As we witness a symbolic moment in the life of our couple doing together as they pray to each other.